CollectiveRay.com. Actionable tips for people who work with websites. Hi, this is David from CollectiveRay.com. We provide actionable tips for businesses going digital. Are you looking to hire an app developer to grow your business? Developing an app is a critical task, and finding the right developer is imperative. You need a developer who becomes part of the team, shares your vision, and delivers a quality product at the right price. But finding a good developer can be quite challenging these days. The problem is, good developers are in high demand, so you can't find them easily. The demand also means that lower quality developers will play the game of lucky dip with your money. Check out our article linked below to read our horror story of hiring a developer a few months back. Are you willing to take that risk? Thankfully, you don't have to. We've done all the research so that you can make the right choice with peace of mind. But how can we guarantee that we offer the right choice of app developers? It's because this video has been developed in collaboration with Fiverr Pro, the vetted marketplace operated by Fiverr. For suppliers to be able to get promoted on Fiverr Pro, they need to have already proven themselves. Working with them is an implicit guarantee of working with a dependable vendor. Before hiring an app developer, do you really know what an app developer actually does? Good coders bring much more than coding and app development skills to the table. Don't get us wrong, their coding skills are very important, but you're unlikely to be able to see their technical abilities. But awesome developers bring more than technical skills to the table. They bring an understanding of having an excellent user experience, know how to create beautiful designs, put techniques in that improve the conversion rate, have excellent communication skills, and a good business acumen. It's crucial that you find the right person. Click our article linked below so that you can understand exactly what you need to look for when finding an app developer. Don't worry, it's a highly researched article that has ranked consistently well in search engines for the past 3 years. So, where do you find an app developer for hire? The obvious place to find a developer is freelance platforms. However, because the industry has such a high demand, the marketplace can be saturated with lower quality developers. The real problem with hiring from freelance marketplaces is that it's difficult to find a great app developer without running into a dodgy but convincing vendor. So what's so dodgy about these marketplaces? You'll find that developers exaggerate their experience, inflate their skills, fake or manipulate their reviews, and boost their prices because the market allows it. And many times, they are simply too inexperienced for your kind of work, or just plain incompetent. We've hired developers who have vanished mid-project, delivered incomplete final packages, completely plagiarized their works, putting us in grave legal position. And the worst, the ones who rarely communicate, are frustrating to work with, and are a complete waste of your precious time. We've experienced firsthand how hiring from non-vetted marketplaces means working with developers who deliver untested features, code glitches, and problematic solutions. And don't even get us started on the communication problem and the level of ongoing monitoring that is required. The last thing you want is an app that doesn't work, or even worse, one that works badly. So what can you do to vet an app developer for hire before committing to them? There is no real way of verifying the credentials of the developers online without running an actual project with them. Thankfully, there is a solution. You need to hire a freelance app developer who has already been vetted. Vetted marketplaces, or companies who vet their candidates before putting them on their hiring platform or list, means you know you will only find trustworthy candidates. That's an excellent guarantee. But what does that vetting actually involve? Candidates need to go through a series of progressively harder interviews, tests, both language and skills, show a proven track record, and other complex vetting procedures to ensure that they are truly reliable. Some marketplaces only accept the top candidates that apply. For example, TopTail, short for Top Talent, only allows the top 3% of candidates that apply to get into their marketplace. What does vetting mean to you when you are hiring an app developer? You can be confident that the developer has the right skills. You will save time on hiring and rehiring if it all goes wrong. You can go to market faster with a dependable app developer, You will save money. Non-vetted developers mean cheap becomes expensive very quickly. How much does it cost to build an app? If you want to know how much it will cost to develop an app, click on the article link below for full details on costings. Simply put, the best way to calculate how much app development costs is to estimate the number of hours required, then multiply this by the hourly rate of your developer. Then add a 20% to 30% buffer on top for testing and troubleshooting. So what are the top places to find an app developer for hire? We've compiled a list of the 5 best platforms to use when looking to hire a developer. You can find further options in our link below. Number 1. Fiverr Pro. Fiverr Pro enables you to find verified and exceptional talent at reasonable prices. They are a good balance of talent, reliability, and cost that are hard to find anywhere else. Number 2. Toptail. Toptail boasts that its marketplace only accepts the top 3% of developers that apply. Highly recommended and trustworthy, but is typically for larger companies. Number 3. Gun.io. Gun.io is not a marketplace, but a hiring company. They help you find good matches quickly if you want to expand your development team. Number 4. Hired.com. Hired is another trustworthy marketplace who vets candidates and matches you to the perfect developer using custom algorithm matches. Number 5. Xteam.com. Xteam also vets their candidates and will match you to developers and sift through their credentials so you don't have to. Do check out our article to see more details about the above and other options. You'll get to see pros and cons of working with the platform, approximate budget you'll need, a deeper description of each marketplace, a direct link to the vendor. If you like this video, please do subscribe to see more of our informational videos as we release them. Thank you for watching. See you next time.